Hi everyone, this is Fab and I'm going today to release a quick tutorial for Glorify app. Glorify app is one of my best app for designing e-commerce or banners. I love it and I think it's good to release a quick tutorial based on a request from a user on their Facebook Glorify app. So now the problem was how to use basically an image inside a shape that also sort of goes out from the shape itself, and it's also inside. It's a sort of overlapping situation where it's not easy to find a solution within the Glorify app, but there is some quick workaround I will show you right now. So first of all, we go under the dashboard, we check out, and I'll go for an e-commerce design. I'll check a lifestyle image and I will select something like this. Now I have to say a few things now, and please follow me. I think they're going to fix these small bugs because they're always developing pretty fast, and the founder is very responsive. The support is great. I mean, I really recommend to go and get it as soon as you can. So now I will remove this item, for example, because I don't need it. And what I do, I will just go under Elements, Shapes, and add a shape. Now this is a custom shape I like. I will go and change the color. I will use one of their image color, for example this, or sorry, on that. Okay, it's fine. Now the problem is we want to have sort of an image of something which is inside and it is outside from the shape. I will show you what I'm obviously trying to explain. When you are within the shape, you click on Add Image. Now, as you can see, first things, you probably want to use an image that has no background and you previously cleared with the background remover. The first issue I noticed within the app is that it doesn't allow you to browse within the images that you edited. So over here, I would obviously have loved to have my cut out image with the background removed, which at the moment I can't. So what I did is I exported from the app itself the background removed image and then I uploaded. So under uploads now you can find my cleaned transparent background image, and there we go. Now it's embedded inside the shape. What you want to do now is reposition it. So instead of zooming, obviously you want to move like this, for example. I think the zoom feature it's pretty, it has to obviously been modified a bit, which is what I recommend to the developer, because it gives you not really a free experience to reposition correctly inside the shape. But so far so good. Now, as you can see, if I want this face to go out from the image but still be, consistent and be transparent, how we can do that? It's fine to show you, and it's very easy. So now you go under your elements, and you have your own uploads, my file uploads, and there we go. We add this again. Now we need to reshape it and more or less match the other shape we have already inside. It's not very precise, I mean, process so far, and obviously it's a bit, time consuming if you really want a very precise match. But as you can see, there we go. It's very easy. I just put the transparent image to overlap, but if we zoom in, as you can see here, and you can see the sleeve, sorry, it's not very precise. So I really need to increase a bit the size of this image. Oops. And I think this is good. Obviously you see the image is a bit blurred because the original image I used was not a very good quality, but I wanted just to show you what we can achieve obviously doing this. And if we need, actually the only thing is that obviously if we need to move like the shape with it, we can group both. So I didn't find a way to group easily with the background itself image, and this is the first concern, but they are going to improve the layering for this. So I recommend that you use you position, sorry, the shape and the image where you exactly want to use it for the process, and they will develop this probably further. And this is the best way I found out to deal with this sort of placement need. So if you like the tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Web Software Review, and give me a shout if I can help you out with some other tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you soon.